Hello guys and welcome to the channel.
As my cameraman skills are the greatest and they don't stop to surprise me, I really forgot to turn in the mic. So that trim missing there is just a trim that's falling off. Literally holds on in two clips. You use a prying tool, remove it away. It's really easy, it's super simple. Again, over here I was trying to be cheeky. I didn't want to remove the door card, so I tried to remove the three bolts that attach the mirror to the door, but obviously I was struggling to get hold of the screw, and obviously I have to end up removing the whole door card so I can actually remove those two screws at the bottom. So you start removing these two screws at the side of the door card, which is literally X screws. So take those two screws off, and there's also another one at the same type of screw, just where that trim missing over the side of the mirror that you will see in a second. So there's that third screw, you have to remove it as well. Use the prying tool to pry out all the clips of the door card, but bear in mind to buy a few extra clips as they normally snap away, and if you don't have spare ones you're gonna end up with a door card that can't be fitted back, and it will be, if you do it, it will be rattling all day long. As I'm not professional, you see him here, I'm trying to pull the door car away and figure out, now there's something wrong here. There must be some screws where the door handle is, but after a little bit of looking out, I seen that where the door handle is, there's like a trim cap that goes over it, into it, so you need to get the pry tool to pry that bit off, and it's gonna reveal another two screws. If I remember correctly, they are T40 torque screws. So you remove that, take those screws off, and literally the door card is just take off the clips. After removing the door card, literally it's just take the three bolts that holds up the mirror and disconnect the two connections that you got. One is for the motor that rotates the mirror accordingly the position that you want, and the other one is for the dismister on the winter times that heats up the window mirror. And that's it guys, easy as this.